Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Nadifa Maulidia Syakib. I'm from Department Business of Persada Indonesia. I will explain about regional demographics condition in the province of Bali. The total population in the province of Bali in 2011 was 3,643,472 people, with a population density of 646 people per kilometers. The population distribution in Bali province is still based on Buleleng regions, which is 18.5%, and Denpasar city, which is 14.6%, while the lowest is in Klungkung region, which in 5.1%. Meanwhile, in terms of population density, the regions or city with the highest population density is Denpasar city with 401,063 people per kilometers, and the lowest is Jembrana Regency with a population density of 3,025 people per kilometers. In terms of the growth rate over the last 10 years, 1000 or 1000 until 2010, the province of Bali was 15% higher than the national growth of the national population, 149%. Meanwhile, the highest district or city population growth rate was in Bandung Regency at 4.63%, while the lowest was in Klungkung Regency 0.94%. Table 4.6 Data on regional demographics condition of Bali province 2011. The increase in the population of the population from before 201, the population of Bali increased every year. 2020 records the population of the province of Bali in September 2020 as much as for 22 million people. Compared to the previous census result, the population of Bali province continues to increase in a period of 10 years. Since 2010, the population of Bali has increased by about 4,000 people, or an average of 4,000 every year. 2. Balinese population by gender based on the result of the 2020 population census for Bali. The population of Bali is 4.32 million people. In detail, 2.17 million Balinese are male and 2.15 million are female. 3. Balinese population by age based on age group. The population of produced against 5 until 6 years on the island of the Good is 300 5 million people, or 19.6% of the total population. This proportion is the highest compared to other guest group. The population of unproducts against 0 until 14 years in Bali is 893 thousand people or 28% of the total population. Meanwhile, the population was against is no longer products 65 years and over is 353,000 people or 8.24% of the total population. 4. District in Bali with the most and the fewest population. Buleleng is a regency or city in Bali with the largest population, which is 791,000 people. The detail as many as 3,000 people are male and 3,000 female. Meanwhile, Klung Klung is the area that has the least population on the island of the Gods, which is only 2,000 people. In details, 1,000 people are male and 1,000 are male. 5. Bali regions with the highest education growth. The area with the highest population is Denpasar city with a population growth of 209 with a small area and a large population. Denpasar city is the area with the highest density. His is 7 to 8 to people. This is very different from Jembara Agency, which is the area with the smallest population density, the west of Bali Island, with a density of 300 people. 6. Population theory. The survival stage of enters in the economy is much better. The result in the local population gradual oozing out. If not managed properly, population problems in South Bali regions are prone to trigger social conflict. 7. Balinese population by generation group. According to the generation group, 9,517,51% of the Balinese population were born in 2013 and above, or post Gen Z as much as 26.1% of the Balinese population is the Z generation. 197 until 2012, 23.2% is the millennials generation and 24.5% is the X generation. 8. Impacts of population increase. Population growth that continues to increase will have a negative impact on the population itself, starting from environmental damage, distressing land to increasing unemployment. Many immigrate to Bali, which is well known as a national and world tourist. 9. Many immigrate to Bali. It is an attraction for outside, both for tourists opening business else and looking for work. This has an impact on the demands for housing needs, both is a short period of time and within a certain year and long term. 10. The positive impact of a large population, the development of the population economy, the effects of livelihoods, and a sense of unity that is increasingly underwhelming.